What the hell are you staring at? It's just a wall.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
I'm gonna give it a banana. Here. Do you like that? Oh! You got it! No, you smacked it. Ew. Oh, shit!
It's attacking me!
I'm cold! Oh my god! You're fine.
Can I get a oh yeah?
There's a fucking oh my god!
Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you like, huh?
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I'm free, dang it.
You want me to pull it?
That's so tight, man.
Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? I got you. Mommy's got you. It's alright.
He said, what's that noise?
Oh my god.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Stay! He's so creepy! Get away from me! Get away from me!
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal. Because I can't.
Oh, shit! Stop!
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Hey, Rhino, we've been over this. Let go. Let go. Quit chewing on your cage. Come on.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
My mom was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying. Oh, you okay, darling? It's okay.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh,
What did you just say?
Diesel. Are you high, bud? I think you might be high.
Woody.
Can I pet that dog?
No,
Can I pet that dog?
no,
Can I pet that dog?
no, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Hey, Zan.
There's only one thing to do, 3 words for you.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Come on, Leon. Dave? Leon, come here. Leon. Come here, bubbies. Come on, bubbies. Come on.
Why is it spicy?
Do it. Do it. You're a boat guy.
Coochie man.
Bye, Winston. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
That one dude, yeah.
Okay. God.
For a couple of hours, and
And now all the birds are getting shot.
Hi. You get him? Yeah.
Pointless to drive through here with no food, I know, but you are so handsome. Hi. Yeah, you're so handsome. Go, bro! Go!
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
Llama, 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 llama.
Paul, throw something up there. Oh, you're next. Here it comes. I got it all.
Oh my god! That was amazing! Wait, let me see. Come here.
But I lay and drift away. My love, where are you?
You here?
All right, off ready.
Why is it spicy?
My son died.
Not great.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a... Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. One, two, three.
Stop being a little brat. Stop. Stop thumping. Stop being mad.
I am so excited. Today is gonna be so much fun. It's fucking colder than a witch's tit out there!
Here's a tutorial about how to properly wear your mask by yours truly, me. This is not how you do it. This is whack. Also, you don't put it on your paw. And also, you don't do this. I see people doing this. That's not right. This is just silly. You can't do that. Not at all. I don't know how I look like, but this can't be right. This is how you do it. You put it over your face and you talk to your friends. Also, it goes over your ears, so make sure you get one that fits. Okay, thank you.
Today I'm going to be praying for you because you'll be having some anger issues. And I know that there's something inside of you that's not allowing you to be the sweet dog. Okay? So in the name of Jesus, we're going to rebuke that evil that is inside of you. Okay? Okay? In the name of Jesus, I rebuke every demon inside of you. Rebuke it in the name of Jesus. Let it out. Let it out. I rebuke in the name of Jesus. Oh, let it out, princess. Just let it out. Don't hold it in. Don't hold it in. Fuera. 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 ¡Fuera! ¡Fuera! Reprendo toda malicia. Reprendo todo demonio. Reprendo. Suéltala. 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 En el nombre de Jesús. En el nombre de Jesús. En el nombre de Jesús. ¿Estás bien? Are you okay now? Are you okay?